The Foundry Art Centre is a dynamic, interactive, interdisciplinary art center dedicated to the creation and presentation of contemporary visual arts. The Foundry is well known for their wonderful exhibits, large galleries, educational programs, and open artist studios. Along with the creation and presentation of contemporary visual arts, the Foundry Art Center is a rich resource for the performing arts as well. The Foundry Art Center facilities offers a wonderful performance space. The center is equipped with state-of-the-art equipment and enough space for around 400 people.
My name is Alex Elmstead. I'm the Research, Design, and Event Administrator at the Foundry Art Center. The facility offers a full stage. It has a sound system. It has there's a projection screen that comes down from the stage, so if somebody wanted to present film or video, that could be done as well. And it's fully equipped with microphones.
The Foundry has hosted performers of all genres.
Some of the musical performances that have taken place have been Broadway Nights, which is our New Year's Eve event. That took place with Larry Alexander and Barbara Helmer. And it also took place with Kevin Spiritus, who was a Broadway performer. And we've also collaborated with Jazz St. Louis to bring in some concerts, which have included Aaron Bodie. And we've also done other concerts, including things such as like Poor People of Paris.
There are several ways to become more informed about the performing arts brought to you by the Foundry Art Center.
You can also find out about future performances and events from other organizations that we've collaborated with, such as ArtLink, which is artlinkstl.org. Another way that you can find about our events is through our newsletter. If you become a member of the Foundry, we send out a quarterly newsletter.